So why am I excited about the Smart Manufacturing Summit this year? I mean, really, Sesame's conference is the smart manufacturing event of the year. Of course, I'm the most excited about the education tracks. So Wednesday, November 10th, we have our training tracks, and I'll be running the business practices training tracks. And the one, if you're a manufacturer, the one you don't want to miss is take the first step to a smart manufacturing future. So that is a 90-minute workshop that will help you get started through a assessment process. This is a self-assessment process, but we'll be there to answer questions and do this as a group. And it will be the first step in a process to help you accelerate your smart manufacturing journey. So whether you have a roadmap and you just want to validate how you went about it or revisit it, or you want to get started, this is the way to get started. And then I'm also going to do a 1-hour class, of course, on smart manufacturing principles. So this is about how do you future-proof your smart manufacturing solutions and maximize their value through looking at all the smart manufacturing first principles and making sure that you're following them. And I'll share some examples as I talk about that. So I'm very excited about the Sesame Smart Manufacturing Summit. This is the conference to be at. These are the sessions that are packed with information to help you get going on your smart manufacturing journey. So I hope to see you there.